Do you want to check if a YouTube channel is monetized or not? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how you can check it for free, with no login and no extra requirements, quick and easy. First, open any browser and search for Nexlev Chrome Extension in the search bar. Click on the second link in the search results, this will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Now, click the Add to Chrome button. It will take a few seconds to install, and the extension will be added to your browser. Nexlev Chrome Extension is a powerful and free browser tool that allows you to check whether any YouTube channel is monetized or not. With just one click, you can instantly see if a channel is earning from ads. It's perfect for creators, researchers, and marketers who want quick insights into channel status without logging into YouTube Studio. Easy to install and even easier to use. Click on any channel name, and you'll see the magic. It will show whether the channel is monetized or not. Let's check another one. As you can see, this channel is not monetized. Now, you can easily check if any YouTube channel is monetized or not. Nexlev Chrome Extension is a smart tool, designed for YouTube enthusiasts who want instant insights into any channel's monetization status. With this extension, you can simply visit a YouTube channel and instantly see whether it's monetized. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials.